Hey guys, so in the upcoming tutorial we are going to see how to build this anime application. So let's just quickly see what are we going to build. So you can see that we are getting bunch of animes, and we have created an anime component which shows the anime, and you can see the list also of animes, and if you click on any of the animes you go inside and you can see the details. Also, if you click on the trailer, so it will open the URL and you can see that it's opened. Again, coming back to the application, so what are we going to implement here is we are going to learn something called as API. What is an API and how to make an API call. So the data which you are seeing here is it's not hard coded in our code, rather we are fetching this data using APIs. And we are also going to learn very important concept, that is navigation, right? So if I click on this any of the card, I come to one screen, right? And if I click back, I'll be able to go back. So you can assume this is something like you have a food delivery application, and when you open on the home screen you have list of all the restaurants, and when you click on any of the restaurant, then you get data specific to that restaurant, right? So this is one common pattern which we see in every application these days, right? And the similar view is there on the iOS as well. So without any further ado, let's start building this application. Thank you.